parents really need to be very much involved. And 1 or 2 hours a week of Islamic teaching is not enough in face of all what is happening.
Yeah.
The most important step to protect the children is what?
Education.
The parents has to be practicing. Walk the talk. The parents can't tell your child, go for salah, and you have not prayed.
Yeah.
Can't do that. The child, maybe he will listen because he's scared, but then later on he will not, or she will not do it. So the most important to protect the children, number one, you as parents know the deen, and the deen and akhirah is a priority. The child, deen and akhirah will become priority. Number one. Number two, learn and teach them about Allah.
Yeah.
Again, engrave in them the aqidah, because this is what keeps us going. We are living, anybody who's living in this day and age, especially in the Western world, we're living in a Mecca time. We are living like when the Sahaba lived in Mecca. We're not in Medina.
Yeah.
We are living in Mecca where everybody around us don't believe in what we believe and make fun of us.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
What did Allah taught them in the Quran? The whole Meccan surahs. What does it talk about?
It's all about tawheed.
Aqidah, belief. Jannah, akhirah, who's Allah? Who's this? They didn't talk about any of the rulings of Islam. All came, the Madani surahs, if you look at them, most of them is related to do and don't, rulings. So here I am. I need to know when I am here, Allah brought me, or I was born here, I need to know my surroundings. Parents needs to put deen number one. Parents needs to be not shy of being a Muslim.
Yeah.
And being proud of being a Muslim. Having said that, it is not an easy pathway.
Yes.
It is, because you're going to be different from everyone around you. Alhamdulillah. That's why I need to know Allah.